Hey, Dr. Mike here. Just want to give you guys some gardening tips on how to keep a healthy back and your shoulders and your arms and your knees and everything else. So I'm here preparing a bed for some planting. I think we're going to plant kale and maybe some edamame in here. But what I'm doing is I'm weeding it, and I've got my trusty back belt on here to support my core, right? So the back belt helps to support, and wearing a good pair of gloves. And as I'm weeding this, I want to stay close to where I am so that I don't overreach. So if you need to, use a kneeler or even a seat as you move along to weed and you come close. You don't want to overreach. If you overreach, you could strain your shoulder or your back. So you want to keep everything close to you and pull the weeds out. You could use tools for this as well. I like to use a hoe, a garden hoe or a garden rake, and get our compost bin ready with some of these weeds and some of these old leaves, and prepare for some really fresh, healthy, organic vegetables for spring and summer. All right, so there's your gardening tip of the week. I'm Dr. Mike. Have a great week.